Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read ta or shoku in many words. This character means to eat. It has 9 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like shoku. On its own, it is usually ta. A lid over a bowl of rice. A meal ready to eat. Now, let's write it. 9 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen. In order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Taberu, taberu means to eat. Shokuji means meal. And choushoku, choushoku means breakfast. A quick tip, so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. In, read nomu to drink. Yoi, good. Notice the small differences. So that's shoku, to eat. 9 strokes read ta or shoku. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.